welcome back. Thanks for joining me on this wild camp. Not only me, there's going to be another few lads. One of them you will recognise, the Geordie Wild Camper. So if his is up already, the link will be up there. Go and check it out. Going to be a cracking camp. Nice warm one, 17 degrees. I know you can see the clouds are a bit dark over there. Their rain ones have passed, but it hasn't been raining. But it's getting down to 2 degrees. Summer kit is out. Hillyberg's away. Lanshan's out. Got the Nightcat one. Looking forward to it. Really looking forward to this camp. See, the weather's getting there. We're slowly coming into the warmer weather. I think the winter's lasted a little bit longer than what it did. As you seen in the last camp, -5 nearly. Just seems to be going on forever this winter. But yeah, summer closing's on. I'm really looking forward to it. So let's head on anyway. Let's get set up and I'll show you around. Well, I've arrived. This is my chosen place. As you can see, it isn't that flat. There's bits over that area there, over that side. Nice area there. There's a couple just in front of here. But this is my chosen pitch there. We've got the sun setting in that direction, but the sun comes up over there. But yeah, from my front door, we have views of the lovely Cheviot Hills. That was a challenge. The ground here is absolutely rock hard. You can see the rocks around us, so yeah, best pitch I can sort of get. Can't even move the pegs, but this time I went for the separate doors in the front, on the bar of the guy line here. Yeah. I'm happy with the pitch. me set up. Let's take a little look inside. I'll see summer kit. So I've got the travel pack 2, built in mosquito net at the top, which is an absolute treat. Spiders running around everywhere. But yeah, a little bit lighter now, so travel pack. That saves us 600 grams. Got the down jacket, sleep clothes. I've bought the down pants, but I don't think I'm going to need them. But yeah, this is rated to 2 degrees, so hopefully it should be alright for tonight. Typical bit of scran there. Yeah, seam sealant. Me and the Geordies brought for both the tents. As I'll be doing these points here. I'll be doing down this bit as well. As I do again. And then here. Yeah, apart from that, they are solid. As you can see on the inside, that's where it leaks through, so it will leak through into your head, so it does need seam sealed on each of them points and on the door there. So yeah, I'll get that done. Guy point seam sealed, drying in nicely. Also done these little stitches here, as that there will leak through onto the corner points. Yeah, all done. I've even done the top point. Yeah, I'm happy with the pitch, set up lovely. Yeah, I'm in the Nightcat Lanshan 1, got Mark, Lanshan 2, got the Geordie and another Nightcat tent. Well, that was a nice little time lapse that. Yeah, that's Mark pumping his bed up. Tent standing strong. 30-mile-an-hour wind, so not too bad. But yeah, cracking colours in the sky. You'll have seen the rain just went away there. Just behind the Geordie there. Coming around, so yeah, we just missed it. A couple of little speckles on my face, but not much. Temperatures starting to drop a little, but not too bad. As you can see, I'm in my sleeping bag. Base layer on, thermals on, should you say. Food, inners, alcohol, inners. So yeah, time to get my head down now. If anything, I might go up about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, see if the stars are out. If not, I'll see you in the morning for the sunrise. Spectacular sunrise there, as you can see. Got the Chivy and the Clag as usual. Mark pitched over there, and the Geordie. So yeah, it picked up last night, the wind. About 3 o'clock I noticed it, but had no effect on me. I'm having a full mesh in it. Didn't really make a difference, didn't come through. I got down to 7 degrees, so yes, a warm one. The wind will pull us down a little bit, but not too bad. Yeah, nice day. Shame the rain's gonna come in later, but we're making the most out of it. But yeah, the typical claggy Chivy over there. Those who know Northumberland know it always sits in the clag. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready now anyway, pack down, get myself on my way. always, leave no trace. Well, that was an absolutely cracking camp. Me, Mark and Steve. Cracking weather. See, the wind picked up a little bit, but not too much. 7 degrees. Not too much of a bad camp. But yeah, hopefully get out again soon with the lads. The Lanshan did its job. Snug pack, travel pack 2 did its job. It was nice and warm. The temperature's not getting down that low. It's absolutely splendid. But yeah, I'm enjoying this summer now. Yeah, listen to that, absolutely lovely. So yeah, hopefully more of this. I've got a few little more mods to do on the Lanshan anyway. I want to mod the inner again. I put bungees on it, but I want to make them a little bit better. A few of the little tweaks and I'll be happy. But yeah, it seems sealed now. See what the weather brings. Hopefully be out in a couple of them on the next one, but we'll see. But as always, I'll see you on the next one.